Welcome to our dryer showdown. Today we're comparing two popular compact dryers, the BLACK+DECKER 1.5 CU Fort Compact Dryer and the Euhomy 3.5 CU Fort Dryer. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and help you find the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER BCED15 offers a compact capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, ideal for small loads and tight spaces. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer provides a larger capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, making it suitable for medium-sized loads and families. This significant difference in capacity can impact your laundry routine, especially if you often wash larger items. When it comes to power output, the BLACK+DECKER dryer operates at 850 watts, which may result in longer drying times. On the other hand, the Euhomy dryer boasts a robust 1500 watts, allowing for faster and more efficient drying cycles. This difference can be crucial for those who need to dry their clothes quickly. In terms of pricing, the BLACK+DECKER BCED15 is more budget-friendly at $293. Making it an attractive option for those looking for a compact dryer without breaking the bank. Conversely, the Euhomy dryer is priced at $369, reflecting its larger capacity and higher power output. It's essential to consider your budget and needs when choosing between these two options. To wrap up, we compared the BLACK+DECKER 1.5 CU Fort Compact Dryer and the Euhomy 3.5 CU Fort Dryer. Each has its strengths, with the BLACK+DECKER being compact and budget-friendly, while the Euhomy offers larger capacity and faster drying. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.